Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the Midi clips and deciding which pattern will hold the final material, because centralizing prevents timing drift. Open the piano roll for the channel you're consolidating, make sure Snap to Grid and the project BPM are correct, and then create a new empty pattern as your target. Once done, select the first source clip, copy the notes, and paste them into the target pattern. This starts the merge while preserving original clips so you can undo mistakes. Now continue by sequentially copying notes from every source piano roll into the target pattern. Paste them in chronological order so measures line up. Make sure to quantize lightly or use manual nudge to keep human feel while tightening timing. Adjust note lengths and velocities to match your mix, and clean up redundant controller lanes or overlapping notes to avoid phase or MIDI clutter. Once the target holds all material, check that channel routing and instrument presets are correctly assigned before finalizing. To finish, verify routing. If multiple instruments were merged but belong to different channels, split them into separate target patterns or assign program changes so data plays back correctly. Save a backup of the project first, then either export the consolidated pattern as a Midi file or keep it as an internal pattern depending on your workflow. If notes disappear during playback, make sure the target pattern's channel routing matches the instrument and that no piano roll channel is muted. That channel mismatch is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.